Hey y'all, it's Mila J. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving y'all a step-by-step Gel X nail tutorial. As I can see in this clip, I am removing the natural nail shine off the natural nail plate. We remove the nail shine because the natural nail is too smooth for products to grip onto. Lightly buffing it creates a slightly rough surface so gel, acrylic, or press-ons could adhere better and last longer without lifting. Now moving on, I'm using a pointy nail drill bit. I use the pointy nail drill bit because it helps me clean and prep the hardest to reach areas around the cuticles and the sidewalls. Now I'm going to go in and file the nail. I file the nail to create a better surface for products to stick and to shape the nail evenly. Now moving on, I'm going with dehydrator and a primer. A dehydrator and a primer are used to make sure nail products stick properly and don't lift. Now moving on to base coat. A base coat is the first layer of polish or gel that goes onto the natural nail before color. Now once you're done sizing your tips, putting the nail under the lamp is done to harden the gel or glue so it becomes strong and permanent. It's important that you make sure that the glue is spread around the entire nail. You want a smooth, even layer with no air trap bubbles so the nail stays strong and it can last longer. Now buffing. We buff the nail to remove shine and create a slightly rough surface so the product could stick better and last longer without lifting.
It's overboard now.
Okay everybody, quick disclaimer. So basically in this part of the video I was filming on how I did 3 flowers, but I accidentally lost the footage. I'm really sorry about that. I know that's annoying. I'll just show it in another video instead.
Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's not get in a hurry. No, that's too slow.